Ladies and gentlemen, respected viewers, today on 26 January 2026, we proudly celebrate 76 years of the independent republic. This day is not just a reminder of our past glory, but a call to shape our future. On 26 January 1950, India adopted its constitution and declared to the world that this nation would be governed by law, justice, equality, and democratic values. That decisions transformed a newly independent country into the world's largest democracy. Republic Day reminds us that freedom alone is not enough. Freedom needs discipline, freedom needs responsibility, freedom needs character. The Constitution of India is more than a book of laws. It is the soul of our democracy. It protects our rights, but at the same time, it expects duties from every citizen. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar rightly said, political democracy cannot last unless there lies at the base of its social democracy. This means that true democracy is not only about voting, it is about respect, equality, and human dignity in everyday life. As we stand in 2026, India is changing rapidly. We are advancing in technology, education, science, and innovation. But progress is meaningful only when it is guided by values. A strong nation is not built by building alone, it is built by honest citizens, educated youth, and responsible leaders. Today, the youth of India carry the greatest responsibility. The future of this nation lies not in the hands of a few, but in the action of millions. Being a responsible citizen in 2026 means respecting the Constitution and the law, using freedom of speech with wisdom, rejecting hatred and choosing unity, serving the nation through hard work and integrity. India's strength has always been its unity in diversity. Different languages, religions, cultures, and traditions, yet bound together by one constitution and one nation identity. Let us remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters who dreamed of an India that would stand tall with pride and dignity. Their struggle was not for power but for principles. Republic Day is not just about saluting the flag, it is about asking ourselves a serious question: what kind of India we are creating? An India divided by anger or an India united by hope? An India of shortcuts or an India of hard work and honesty? On this Republic Day 2026, let us make a promise to be better citizens, to be responsible digital users, to respect women and elders, to protect democracy, and to contribute positively to the nation's growth. Let us remember that the real power of India lies not in weapons, but in values, education, and unity. As we move forward into the future, let us carry the spirit of the Constitution in our hearts, the pride of the tricolors in our souls, and the responsibility of citizenship in our actions. I conclude with hope, confidence, and pride. Long live our Constitution, long live our democracy, long live the Republic of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.